Okay, here's a good one. Driving in condition like this, thick fog, low visibility. So what I have done is put my back fog light on so people following me can see me clearly or can see the light. I haven't used the front fog light. Let me just put it on and let you see what it would look like. So that's the front fog light on. It hasn't done much good to me, and it would be dazzling people who who coming towards me, so I just take it back off, and that's what it looked like. So instead, what I'm doing is going very slow, a lot slower than I would normally go, and look out particular for pedestrians and parked cars. Them dark cars that are parked on the side road now, you'll be very hard to see them. If you have parked your car on the side road, I would recommend use your side light or your park light at this point. So say for example, look at this car in front of me, I can hardly see. So but because I'm gone slower,